Welcome everyone of the friends ELKO EP in the next stage of the ELKO TECH. In this episode I would like to show you the new smart gateway eLAN-204. As you know, 204 replaces 103, which looks in this package, aluminum chassis and antenna LAN RG45 connector. We refuse on the new one. Okay, unboxing. The packaging is retail ready, so you can find which accessories contain the packaging, also which devices you can control, and ELAN code with QR manual in the 7 languages. So let's to open. So here is a device. Here is the base. The base you can install through the screw to the installation box or into the wall or ceiling, and then you can through the bayonet click device, or you can put gateway on the table. There is special bumpers which don't allow to moving easily. So the part of the accessories, it's a power supply adapter with USB-C cable, which you connect from the bottom side easily to the device like this. The complete setup, it's via web server which is built in the device. It means that you open your web page in the browser, computer or tablet, even smartphone, and you can set up all parameters very easily. And what is the revolution news is the automation. Yes, the automations we didn't have in the previous version. And the automation means that you can set up many rules, many actions. It means if then that, as you know. And you can use not only in-house wireless sensors and actuators, but you can use the weather information, timing informations, and other environment. The gateway has a round backlighted ring which should have 6 colors. White means that it is in the AP mode. We will speak later about AP. The red, it's the error status mode. The green, that the device is connected to the cloud. Blue, it's the standard mode when the device is connected to the Wi-Fi. Yellow, when device is connected to the MQTT and they are reloading the system. Yeah, and the turquoise blue, it's connected to the cloud. Yeah, so there are 2 kinds of the blue, and I can show you how it looks like here. So it's the turquoise blue when it's the connecting to the cloud. Thanks to the MQTT support, so the gateway is easily integrated to the third parties as a home assistant, for example, and or web remote control, which is the product ELKO EP, which is built in, allows to the system integrators and system partners easily make a service remotely without cloud, which allows to connect directly, update firmware, check the status, and support the troubles. Hope that this new gateway will help you and will improve your home electric installation as well as the commercial. And you can connect 70 wireless devices per each device. Thank you and see you in the next episode.